They said he was too old to start over, too broke to build something new. But they didn't know he wasn't chasing money anymore. He was chasing purpose. For 20 years at the same factory, he gave his best, loyalty, sweat, and time. Until one cold afternoon, a single envelope ended it all. We regret to inform you.
He worked when others rested. He learned when others complained. He understood something most never do. You're never too old to start again, but you're always too young to quit. 5 years later, the man who was once too broke to dream now employed 20 people who believed in his vision. He didn't become rich overnight. He became resilient, and that made him unstoppable. He didn't become rich overnight. He became resilient, and that made him unstoppable. They said he was too old, but they forgot. Experience is the best foundation. So if you're watching this at 25 or 55, understand this truth. It's never too late to rewrite your story. The clock isn't your enemy. Your doubt is.
Start now. Your future is waiting. Like, share, and subscribe not just to the channel, but to your own comeback.